Don't you throw out that newspaper. I'm going to show you how you can use that newspaper to make some beautiful curls. So if you're interested in seeing this, just stay tuned, and while you're at it, please subscribe down below and click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So we're going to use that same paper that you read, and we're going to make some small strips. So you can make it into whatever size you want depending on the curls that you want, but I'm going to cut my paper into half. Then I'm going to cut that half into another half. So basically I'm cutting my paper into 4 different sections. So now that we have the cutting out of the way, we're going to take one piece of that paper and fold or roll, whichever one you desire, into small rods. And like I said, you can make these rods as small or as large as you choose, depending on your hair type, your length, or if you're looking for a specific shape or a specific size curl. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. My hair is relatively wet, and I did go in and apply my foundation products. That's what I use to add hydration and moisture using the lock method. And if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out in the cards above. I'm going to leave a link. And I seal that in with my DIY oil combination, and I do also have another video on that, so you can also check that out after this video. Then I'm going to properly detangle my hair using a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to secure and section small portion of my hair accordingly. So I'm only going to be using one styling product today, and it's from the Latte Body with coconut and shea oils, and it's their texturizing setting lotion. It is used to create super hold, adds brilliant sheen, and gives great body. So I added that to a small spray bottle, and I spray that onto my hair all the way along the shaft to the ends. Then I smooth that out with a fine tooth comb. Then I'm going to securely wrap the hair around the paper rod. It is very important to ensure that the hair is tangle free and smooth, and also secure around the paper rod. That is how you're going to get some really nice curls. After you've done that, all you're going to do is to tie a simple knot, and that is going to secure your rod. After you've secured it, you can go in and cut off the excess paper, and be very careful, guys. If you can't use the scissors, don't do it, or get someone to help you so that you know for sure you're not cutting your hair, or use a mirror or two just to be on the safe side. So I've gone ahead and completed my entire head. I left out this section to show you again. So I go in with the spray Latte Body onto the shaft of my hair. Then I smooth through with a fine tooth comb, ensuring that my hair is free from all knots, all kinks, all tangles. And then I wrap the hair onto the paper rod from the ends, from the middle, from wherever you want to wrap it from, as long as it's securely and firmly wrapped around the paper all the way to the top. And then I secure it with a simple knot at the root. So I've completed my entire head, and it's nighttime, so you know the drill. I'm going to tie my hair with a silk scarf, and then I'm going to go to bed. It's the next morning, guys, and trust me, I slept like a baby. There was no bulging, no tugging, nothing to cause any discomfort to my head or my hair. It was so comfortable. The rods were so soft and easy to sleep on. Right now, my hair is not completely dry, but I have to take them down. And I would recommend, if you're going to try this style, or if you're going to try any rod style for that matter, it's important to ensure that your hair is 100% dry to get the best result. Right now, my hair is about 90% dry, and I'm going to take down the rods to show you the result. So this is what it's looking like after I've taken down the paper curls, and the curls are not perfect because my hair is not completely dry, but I'm going to go in and manipulate it to get a style that I like. So I'm going to apply some oil to my hands, and if you don't know why I do that, it's because the oil helps to reduce friction, and friction helps to reduce frizzing of the hair. So I apply the oil, and then I'm going to separate the curls so that I can get a fuller look. So when you're separating your curls, you want to just hold that curl and find that space where the hair is naturally separating. Then you're going to pull apart gently and then wrap the hair on your finger in the direction of the curls when you separate it so that it doesn't leave a frizzy curl. So I've separated most of the curls, and now I'm going to go in with a pick to raise the roots of my hair to get a little bit more volume. I'm not going to do this as much as I would normally because, like I said, my hair is not completely dry and I don't want to lose the curls. So I'm just going to manipulate it minimally and then allow my hair to air dry the rest of the way. Next, I'm going to smoothen my edges. I normally use my DIY flaxseed gel, and if you haven't seen that video, I leave a link to it for you in the description box and in the cards above. You can definitely check it out. But because I don't have that right now, I'm going to use some Eco Styling gel to just smoothen my edges. So now you have a reason to save your papers. You can get some beautiful curls with them. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this before or if you plan to try it. I'd love to know, and tag me in a photo on Instagram with your results at Momo Naturals. That's Momo Naturals with 2Z. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell beside the subscription button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.